Welcome back. In the last task, we explored the user interface in Figma and we added a frame for a mobile screen to your Figma file. By the end of this task, you'll be able to add a taskbar to your mobile screen and draw an icon on your mobile screen using the shape tools. First of all, we're going to add a taskbar to your mobile screen. The taskbar is usually found at the top of the screen and provides users with information about the status of the phone and some apps that are running on it. You usually find information about the battery power, signal strength, the time of the day, and whether your Bluetooth or headset is connected on the taskbar. Move your mouse pointer to the shape tools and select the rectangle tool. Move back into your frame and draw a rectangle on the screen. You can drag the rectangle tool across the screen to draw the taskbar of your mobile screen. Alternatively, you can fill the measurements of your rectangle on the right hand side of the screen. Use the Align tools found in the Properties panel to align the rectangle to the center of the screen. To change the default color of the rectangle, in the Properties panel on the right hand of the screen, change the fill color to white and the stroke color to gray. Now we are going to draw icons to represent the signal strength and the battery power of the phone. Click on the rectangle tool again and draw a rectangle to represent the signal strength icon. Change the dimensions of the rectangle to fit into the taskbar you've drawn earlier. Now drag the rectangle into the taskbar. While the rectangle is selected, press Ctrl C on your keyboard to copy the rectangle and press Ctrl V to paste it. Move the newly pasted rectangle away from the original rectangle. Repeat this action 3 more times. On most mobile phones, the signal strength icon is represented by 5 bars of varying height, usually spaced equally from each other. We're going to draw 5 rectangles to represent each of these bars. Now adjust the dimensions of each rectangle by deducting 2 points from the height of each subsequent rectangle. Using your mouse pointer while clicking on the Shift key, select the 5 rectangles you have just drawn and align their bottoms by clicking on the Align Bottom button. You can adjust the space between the rectangles to make them closer to each other. To ensure that the rectangles are evenly spaced, select the 5 rectangles and click on the distribute button to distribute the rectangles evenly. Finally, click on Ctrl G on your keyboard to group the rectangles together. There you have drawn a signal icon. With that, you have come to the end of this task. In this task, you use the shape tools to add a taskbar to your mobile screen. You also created an icon by drawing and grouping shapes together. In the next task, you are going to practice drawing the battery icon and adding it to your taskbar.